Your home's windows do more than just let in light, they contribute to comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Over time, though, even the best windows start to show wear. For Worcester homeowners, recognizing the early warning signs of window failure can help you avoid rising energy bills, drafts, and structural issues. Here are the top signs it's time to consider professional window replacement. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. If you feel cold air seeping through your closed windows during winter or notice heat entering during summer, it's a sign your windows are no longer sealed properly. Worcester's weather can be unpredictable, with cold winters and humid summers, so maintaining proper insulation is crucial. Drafts often mean broken seals or warped frames, issues that replacement windows can fix by providing tight insulation and temperature control year-round. Rising energy bills and unexplained increase in your heating or cooling costs is another major red flag. Older or damaged windows allow heat to escape during winter and cool air to leak out in the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Energy-efficient replacement windows can dramatically reduce energy loss. Look for double or triple pane models with low E coatings and gas fills to ensure optimal insulation, especially suited for Worcester's seasonal changes. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that stick, jam, or refuse to open are not only frustrating but also unsafe. Over time, wooden frames can swell from moisture and metal ones can corrode. When windows don't operate smoothly, it's often a sign that their structural integrity is compromised. New windows offer easy operation, improved security, and advanced locking mechanisms, ideal for keeping your Worcester home safe and functional. Condensation or fog between panes. If you notice moisture or fog trapped between double or triple pane glass, the seal has failed. This means your window has lost its insulating gas, allowing outside air and humidity to seep in. Worcester's climate, which includes cold snaps and humid summers, can accelerate this process. Once the seal is broken, the window can no longer provide adequate thermal protection, making replacement the best solution. Noticeable damage or rot. Cracked glass, chipping paint, or rotting wood frames are clear signs your windows need attention. Rot spreads quickly in Worcester's damp conditions, especially after heavy rains or snowmelt. These problems not only reduce your home's curb appeal but can also lead to leaks and mold growth. Modern vinyl, fiberglass, and composite window frames resist moisture and decay, offering long-lasting performance and minimal maintenance. Noise pollution. If outside noise, from traffic, neighbors, or construction, seems louder than before, your windows may have lost their soundproofing capabilities. Upgrading to insulated or laminated glass can significantly reduce noise infiltration, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. This is especially beneficial if you live in busy parts of Worcester or near main roads. Outdated appearance. Even if your windows still function, old or outdated styles can drag down your home's value and aesthetic appeal. New windows come in a wide range of designs and finishes that complement modern and traditional Worcester homes alike. Beyond beauty, new frames and glass options improve efficiency, safety, and comfort, making replacement a smart investment in both form and function. Enhance comfort and value with window replacement. Recognizing these warning signs early allows you to act before small issues become costly repairs. Whether your goal is to boost curb appeal, lower energy costs, or increase indoor comfort, replacing old windows is a worthwhile upgrade. Worcester homeowners can choose from a variety of energy-efficient options designed to withstand New England's diverse climate, ensuring year-round comfort and long-term savings. If you've noticed any of these signs, it may be time to contact a trusted window replacement professional in Worcester. Investing in new windows today means enjoying a more comfortable, efficient, and beautiful home for years to come.